In my last video, I told you I'll show you an amazing feature by ElevenLabs, and here I am fulfilling that promise. If you're always on the go and you're struggling to read long articles or PDFs, I've got something for you. Instead of staring at your screen, you can listen to your content using the ElevenLabs Reader App. And guess what? It's 100% free. Today, I'll show you how to download and use this amazing AI tool. First things first, head over to the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users and search for ElevenLabs Reader. You'll see a few results, but make sure you download the one developed by ElevenLabs Inc. Look for the logo that matches the one on the screen. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create an account. You can even use Google Sign In for a quick setup. And don't worry, it's completely free to use. Inside the app, you'll find 5 main sections at the bottom of the screen. You'll see the Home, Library, the plus sign, Explore, and Voices. Under Library, this is where you'll find your history, saved content, collections, and archives for easy access. Under Explore, you can browse through a selection of books and personalized feeds tailored to your interest. Under Voices, you can choose from a wide range of AI-generated voices, including officially licensed iconic voices, for a more dynamic listening experience. In my last video, I talked about AI-generated voices and how you can use them for your voiceovers. I'll leave the link in the description. You can click on it and watch the video later. At the center, you'll see the plus icon, which lets you add content in multiple ways. You can paste links from articles, from blogs or websites, and you can write text directly into the app for instant narration. You can also import PDFs, newsletters, or even books for audio playback. And you can scan documents with your camera and convert them into speech. To get started, copy a link from an article, paste it into the app, and hit listen.
3D mapping is a powerful sculpting process designed to help individuals and teams.
That's it. The app will automatically narrate the content for you. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find playback controls to adjust the speed. You can slow it down or speed it up. You can skip forward or backward in the content. You can also try out different voices to see which one you like best. Honestly, this app is super useful. It makes it super easy to turn any text into high quality audio in just a few taps. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educational content. Also, like I said earlier, you can check out my other video on how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech for free. See you in the next video.